Many of you may be asking why VentureBeat and why now? Enterprise technology leaders have access to more information than ever. What they need is data to understand why something matters and analysis to answer the most important question from my perspective, which is, so what? What does a new technology mean for the enterprise? Which problem does it actually solve? What will it take to deploy, secure, and govern and operate? And where should leaders invest their time, money, and people? Those questions have shaped my career as an operator, product executive, go-to-market leader, and analyst. They're also why I'm joining VentureBeat as the first lead analyst and founding analyst of VentureBeat Intelligence. My North Star is the community VentureBeat has built. Technology leaders, architects, practitioners, investors, and innovators working through these decisions every day. My role is to help connect the community through research-driven analysis, bringing together first-party data, practitioner experiences, technical evidence, and real-world outcomes. We will go beyond reporting what happened. We will examine why it matters, identify who should care, and provide a clear so what that helps enterprise leaders connect their challenges with approaches and solutions best suited to address them. That combination of community, research, decision-focused analysis is what makes VentureBeat the right place for me and why now is the right time. For me, this isn't so much a move as it is about creating stronger connection between research and conversation. Research is most valuable when it doesn't simply describe a market, but it helps people make better decisions within it. That requires empirical data, technical depth, and a willingness to test the assumptions behind the industry's biggest narratives. Through VB Intelligence and the monthly VB Pulse surveys, we can capture what enterprises are actually doing, not merely what the market says they intend to do. Through my video and written analysis, I'll examine the architectural choices, economic trade-offs, implementation barriers, and emerging patterns shaping enterprise AI. And through VB podcasts, I'll sit down with architects, practitioners, product leaders, and executives building and deploying these systems. These won't be surface level conversations. We'll explore what works, what doesn't, and what teams are learning when AI encounters production grade requirements. My coverage will span enterprise AI infrastructure and compute, advanced data infrastructure, cloud platforms, context layers, platform engineering, orchestration, observability, agentic security, identity governance, and the economics of operating AI at scale. Very broad. But the technology itself is only part of the story. The larger question is how we help people on every side of this market learn from each other. How do we connect builders with buyers? How do we bring practitioner experience into product strategy? How do we help technology leaders distinguish meaningful innovation from incremental packaging? And how do we give the community evidence that it can use, make defensible decisions? I believe the best analyst work creates those connections without losing its independence. It brings the right people into the conversation. It tests claims against evidence, and it translates technical change into clear business consequences. That is the opportunity I see at VentureBeat, a trusted community and established platform, first-party research, and the ability to connect written analysis, empirical data, video, events, and direct conversations. I'm excited to get to work, and I want the community involved. If you're an enterprise practitioner, participate in our research and tell us what you're seeing. If you're building technology, bring us the architecture, evidence, and customer outcomes, not just the announcement. And if you're making difficult AI platform and infrastructure decisions, tell us which questions the market still isn't answering. Let's find out those answers together, and stay tuned.